It is now or it is never for BTC going to all-time high, going into FOMC tomorrow, guys. We got this important chart to go over today, as well as how we're moving up there. What I'm seeing as far as the wave progression goes, we got a nice liquidity sweep the day before FOMC. You guys know I love to see that. Nice liquidity sweep to the downside. Can we get this push up out of here? I'm going to show you my invalidation points, guys. I have a lot to talk about today. This chart that we're going to go over, I did post over on X. Popped off the X account. It's about time. I know we are over on X. If you want a quick analysis, pictures with a quick explanation, I'm posting daily over there starting today. You guys know I'm a man of my word. Drop a follow over on X at AlexChartJunkie with no S because it wouldn't fit in the tag. Drop a follow over there. I'll see you over on X. Let's get into this. I'm going to just hit you with the bigger time frame right now real quick. Goes without saying, we're on the daily time frame. This daily trend line resistance we are tapping right now. A break of this daily trend line is going to be good. It's going to be a good start. Let's just say that to things. It's going to be a good indicator that this trend line right here is going to break. How high we go from there is to be determined, but it's going to be a nice start to go up for one more all-time high. This is the last hope for me, and you guys, if you've been watching this channel, you know I don't think a blow off top for BTC is going to occur. And if we go for all-time high one more time, I think it's going to be more of a quick jab liquidity sweep up here. We're going to go over how I see us pushing up there in a second. But I'm looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, you can easily count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished right there. I'm counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5 waves for wave 3. And I still want a matching 5 wave for this one. All right. I don't want to see this go any lower, guys. I really, really don't. I really, really don't. Let's hold this. Let's hold this. And let's start pushing. Let's start pushing. I'm going to play you an excerpt from my video yesterday. I love the structure here. I love the bullish divergence that we are putting in on the 10 hour, the 12 hour, the 8 hour. It's there. It's there. I essentially need this low right here to hold. We'll go over that in 1 second. But let me play you this real quick. Told you yesterday, I love the structure. Are we going to start hitting now? Or are we going to come later and hit the highs? You know, we did hit up here, but then got this dump today. It is what it is. I'm still long. I would call it a WXY. But this is the, you know, I still think we got higher to go. Guys, even if we decide to take out this low right here, I don't want to take out this low. This is my kind of line in the sand. But we could do that and then still come up to 87.4K. I think this target is in. That's all I'm going to play. And that's what I'm ready for and prepared for. I see all these scenarios and I'm ready to play them at all times. You know, going over the micro analysis, the micro time frames is tough on these YouTube videos, guys. They change constantly. Come over in Premium Discord. Check it out if you want access to my trades, and I try to hit you with the scalp alerts as much as I can. Try to, you know, I can update everyone more frequently in there. But as you can see, that's kind of what happened. We were right here in yesterday's video, swept the highs, came up in here, and then just dumped. Gave us this dump. Right here is my invalidation point, guys. That is my invalidation. I do not want to see it go any higher or any lower. I think it's at 80K. Yeah, 80K. And the reason for that, and this is on the 1 hour time frame, is I can get a corrective move up, corrective move down. This looks impulsive to me. This looks corrective. You know, this low should hold right here for another impulse to the upside, at least for a WXY. And you know, from there we could do multiple things to keep pushing upwards. I can get a correction down and then shimmy our way up for a leading diagonal here. But I'm still looking at an up thrust to about 87K tomorrow. It's what I want to see going into FOMC. We swept these lows. Let's push to the upside. Here's a more clear drawing of what I just explained to you. Looking for an ABC to hit up to this trend line. Seems a little obvious to reject off this trend line again. Maybe get a nice push through. slight break of the trend line, and then we can come down, kind of ride this trend line and start putting in this diagonal. But this is the overall look I want to see pushing to the upside. Of course, guys, we can get more impulsive and we could just smash to all-time high quickly. But the way this wave's taking its time in here, I'm starting to kind of veer away from that idea and just focus more on a diagonal here, pushing to the upside. I'm long for it either way. I'm ready for it either way. You guys know I've been sitting in my long since right here on BTC. I'm long on Solana. And I'm holding up for dear life, baby. Holding up for dear life. Guys, all the links are pinned down in the comments down below. Blowfin's my main exchange. BitUnix is my secondary. Go give them a try. I got you deposit bonuses and VIP trading fees for both of them. Max account's down there. Discord's down there. Check it out. Check it out. But yeah, this is what I want to see, guys. Heading into tomorrow. Let me zoom in a little smaller time frame and see what we got cooking. I hate doing these micro time frames with you guys because every little move, we're gonna move like this. Everyone's like, "Oh, he's dumping! I told you, he's dumping!" Oh, all right. You guys are crazy. Yeah, guys are crazy. It's right here for me. Listen, if we come down and take out this low, I'll kind of see where we're at and go from there. I just, for me, that's really going to be my line in the sand. You'll see me out of my longs right here. And then I'll look for the next trade. 80K, I don't want to see this broken. Let's start pushing up overnight. Get up in here for FOMC, mess around with everyone, and keep pushing. That's what I want to see. I'll update you guys in tomorrow's video. Subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates. This was a quick one. Just kind of pinging off of what I told you yesterday. Tomorrow should be some good price action. We're going to do a live stream over in Premium Discord for FOMC. See you guys over there. $20 off your first month of Premium with code 20OFF if you're interested. Running that right now through the end of the week. Check out Blowfin. Check out BitUnix. Trade safe, everyone. Love you.